Welcome back to Shoulder Ranch. Long time no videos. Finally, I decided to make some videos today. Today, we are building a pipe fence around the house. So this is the house. So I want to build a fence around here. You see, you already got the auger. We put the line up here this way. You can see we made this straight line here. So we're gonna have a fence right beside the house. So this is we already have pipe fence here. We cut it up. I don't have the video for that. We already cut that pipe. These are 5.5 foot long. It's gonna go 1.5 foot down. And I already bought this machine to mix the concrete, and this is the concrete we have. Our water, it came this morning from Home Depot. I bought this from Harbor Freight. It's a brand new machine. It came in a box. I had to put it in together. It was not easy to put it together. So this is the plan for today. We got the auger running right there. I have a helper. His name is Mike. He's helping me to do all this, to do a little bit of help me with the fence. So this is what we're gonna do here by the pond. It's windy. I'm not sure how clear you guys can hear me. So this is the plan. We are doing this. So also here, this is on the corner post. Pretty good. Look at it. It's pretty straight up. We already did that, finished that. I think a couple days ago. And this fence is gonna go straight this line to by the gas tank over there. Like, and you can see that there. We'll have three gates. We'll show all the full video later on.